Mind-body connection. Workshops for personal transformation and wellness. Discover how mind-body connection workshops can enhance mental and physical health, promoting personal transformation and a balanced, healthy lifestyle. Mind-body connection. Workshops. Your path to personal transformation. Hey, I want to tell you about something really interesting. I've been learning about lately, mind-body connection workshops. At first, I wasn't sure what they were exactly, but the more I looked into them, the more I realized how powerful they can be for anyone interested in personal transformation and living a healthier lifestyle. So what's this all about? Essentially, these workshops focus on the relationship between your mental and physical health, how they impact one another in ways we don't always notice. Think of it like this. Your mind and body aren't separate entities, but working parts of the same system. When you take care of one, the other follows. When they're in sync, that's where real healing and growth happen. It's like having your own internal wellness team working together. Now, these workshops usually combine practical techniques from mindfulness, holistic health, and other self-help approaches. They guide you on how to bring awareness to physical sensations, emotions, and thought patterns, which in turn lets you recognize stress triggers or emotional blockages. Imagine being able to catch yourself before stress turns into tension or before anxiety messes with your sleep. That's the kind of self-care you cultivate with these tools. The beauty of these workshops is that they're designed for everyone, not just people already familiar with meditation or yoga. The goal is to help participants experience firsthand how the mental and physical aspects of their health are intertwined. You explore simple, evidence-based methods like guided breathing, gentle movement, visualization, and reflective journaling. All of these foster deeper self-awareness, making it easier to make positive lifestyle choices and boost mental health. Mindfulness in everyday life. Learning to be present opens you up to noticing how your body responds to stress or peace. Breathwork techniques. Controlling your breath can reduce anxiety and improve focus. Body scanning. Helps you identify areas of tension that you might normally ignore. Movement exercises. Gentle stretches or meditative walks help release physical and emotional buildup. When I first tried some of these techniques, it was almost like the connection between my thoughts and physical sensations suddenly made a lot more sense. I noticed how stress wasn't just a mental thing, it showed up in my shoulders, my back, and even my digestion. Working on that relationship made my approach to wellness feel much more holistic. One of the greatest advantages of attending a mind-body connection workshop is the supportive community environment. Being surrounded by others on a self-care journey creates accountability and shared energy, which makes success more attainable and enjoyable. Plus, having an expert guide helps you navigate your personal transformation more confidently and safely. Now, you might wonder if this is just another fad, but what's fascinating is that the connection between mental health and physical health has long been recognized in both ancient traditions and modern science. Practices that harmonize mind and body promote relaxation, improve emotional regulation, and can even enhance your immune response, leading to a healthier lifestyle overall. If you're someone who's curious about self-help strategies that don't just focus on the mind alone or the body alone, but bring both together, these workshops offer a great entry point. Whether you're aiming to reduce stress, increase productivity, or simply maintain a balanced state of well-being, the mind-body connection is foundational. Interested in learning more about health and wellness topics like this? You can explore the books now. They're packed with insights to support your personal transformation and inspire a life full of success and genuine happiness. At the end of the day, investing in workshops like these is really investing in yourself. It's about making the journey toward a balanced, mindful, and whole life, where your mental health and physical health aren't working against each other, but instead helping you thrive. So if you ever get the chance to join one of these mind-body connection workshops, I'd say go for it. They might just change the way you see your wellness and how you take care of yourself.